Welding thin materials presents unique challenges, such as a higher risk of warping and burn-through due to their low heat tolerance and rapid heat absorption. In this guide, we'll cover practical tips to help you control heat input when using the MIG process on thin materials, helping you achieve strong, clean welds without compromising the workpiece. First, select a smaller diameter wire, typically between 0.023 inches and 0.030 inches, especially when welding thin mild steel. Smaller wires require less amperage, giving you better heat control and a more focused arc. We're working with 0.8 mm and 1.0 mm mild steel, so a 0.8 mm wire is perfect. Shielding gas plays a significant role in heat management. A mixture with a higher percentage of argon, around 80% to 95%, is preferred for thin materials due to its cleaning action and reduced penetration. However, in MIG welding, adding 5% to 20% carbon dioxide to the mixture enhances arc stability and ensures proper fusion with the base metal. For MIG welding, mild steel and shielding gas mix includes 80% argon and 20% carbon dioxide is ideal for balancing arc stability, penetration, and spatter control. Before you start welding, make sure the metal surfaces are clean and properly aligned. Straight, well-prepared edges and the right gap spacing help prevent the arc from wandering and concentrating heat in one spot, reducing the risk of burn-through. Now set your MIG welder to DC electrode positive polarity for optimal performance. MIG is often more beginner-friendly because of its continuous wire feed system, which helps maintain a steady, consistent arc. This stability is key to preventing fluctuations that could lead to defects. Adjust your voltage and amperage settings to match the material thickness. Start with lower voltage and fine-tune based on your results. Lower voltage reduces the heat input, giving you better control and less chance of distortion. Maintain a shorter stickout, around 1/4 inch, 6.4 mm or less, to improve arc stability and control. This helps you avoid overheating the weld pool, which is critical when working with thin metals. When welding using a push technique, moving the gun from right to left can help reduce penetration and spread the heat more evenly across the weld. The welding gun should be angled approximately 10 to 15 degrees from vertical, pointing in the direction of travel, to focus the arc and improve control. Finally, keep a steady but faster travel speed. Faster travel speeds help minimize the time the material is exposed to heat, reducing the risk of warping while ensuring a strong weld joint. With careful wire selection, proper shielding gas mix, and the right welding technique, you can effectively manage the heat input when welding the materials. Got questions or have more to share? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.